rapid development of new energy with energy storage in foreign countries, when everyone purchases energy storage cabinets, which is better to choose air cooling or liquid cooling. First of all, we need to know what the differences between them are. From the appearance, the volume of general air cooling is larger, but its battery capacity is less than that of the liquid cooling energy storage cabinet. Why is this? The main reason is that their temperature control technologies are different. That is, the heat dissipation methods are different. The energy storage cabinet mainly relies on the air duct in the cabinet and the cabinet air conditioner to allow the heat emitted by the battery when working to exchange with the outside world. In order to ensure the effective temperature control, this air duct cannot be made too small, so the volume of the air cooling cabinet will be larger. Secondly, the temperature control method of the liquid cooling cabinet is to regulate the temperature of the battery through the flow of the coolant in the liquid cooling plate under the battery pack. In fact, the process difficulty of air cooling is even higher, but its temperature control effect is not as good as that of liquid cooling. The characteristic of air cooling determines that the uniform degree of temperature control is not as good as that of liquid cooling. But as long as it is not in extreme areas, it can completely meet the temperature control requirements of energy storage equipment, mainly because it is cheaper. So, whether to choose air cooling or liquid cooling depends on the used environment, mainly depends on the money in your pocket. Like and follow take you to learn more about small knowledge of electrical appliances.